How to transfer TON from Binance to Tonkeeper wallet. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer few assets from your Binance to Tonkeeper app. For that, you will need both Tonkeeper and Binance on your account. And the first thing that you need to do is open up your Binance. Once you get here, you just tap on the wallet at the bottom right corner. And once you get to your wallet, you are just going to tap on the spot option at the top, and once you get to this spot section, you just tap on your ton coins, and from here you just tap on withdrawal. Then you can send via a crypto network, so just tap on it. And from here, you will just have to copy an address from the Tonkeeper app. So just go ahead and open up your Tonkeeper app and copy the wallet address. Then just paste it on their address. Now you'll have to select a network, and here you will just have to choose the network as Toncoin, and then you are not required to enter the memo, so you can leave it as it is. And from here, you can just enter the withdrawal amount. Once you do that, you will see this withdraw button at the bottom right corner. Just tap on the withdraw button and it will ask you to confirm your order. Go ahead and tap on confirm and enter the code from your Google Authenticator, and you should be good to go. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you on the next one.